right, let's talk about how to clean a furcation of our maxillary first molar. Now this furcation is accessed from the buccal surface, and what you would want to do is, this is the distal root. So to clean the distal root, the mesial portion of the distal root, I would use an 11-12 to clean the mesial portion, and I might even go down and give some horizontal strokes and get down in there. And then if I wanted to clean the distal of the mesial root, I would use my 13-14 because I'm cleaning the distal, even though it is a mesial root. I would use that 13-14 instrument down in there to clean that area. Now I'm using minis here because this root surface is so narrow. It's going to be so hard to get anything with a large tip down in there to clean that furcation. So minis are super awesome for this. They also have that toe, which makes them ideal for cleaning root surfaces.